Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. The USB-C should be plugged into your PC. Is that the... Devin, thank you. Yeah, I've watched videos. They still confuse me though. Is that the little one? I mean, that one I think is plugged into my PC. Hello, Terror Crates. Did I just have this one? The HDMI that's in the out goes... Oh, so that does go on my TV. Okay. Perfect. So guys, maybe it is set up right. Maybe it's the capture card. Maybe I actually did set it up right after all. I don't know. Whoa. Okay. Bye, headphones. Okay. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to like stick this back in the TV. Why is this so confusing? I can't, it won't fit. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, guys, no, I feel like it won't fit. Oh. There we go. Okay, it still fits. All right. My wires are like such a mess. Hello.